Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. In a little bit here I'm going to be showing my son how to pollinate an almond tree. The almond tree is right over here. It's been quite windy today and yesterday, so there has been no bee activity that I have noticed. And before the heavier winds come and rain, and maybe even hail, that might knock off all these flowers, I need to get these flowers pollinated. So I decided to do it by hand with a little paintbrush. So I'm going to ask my son for help and help teach him at the same time. God help me. So we're here pollinating my almond tree, all-in-one almond variety, my son Shant. I just taught him how to pollinate with a little paintbrush. Show him how to pollinate, Shant. Nice and gentle, remember?
Oh yeah. Oh.
Nice and soft.
I need to move this on to the other side because I can't reach that side.
Okay, do it.
Well,
And there's Lulu chasing birds again. Nice and easy, remember? Two best buddies right there. Hey, don't eat the flowers. God dang.
why is there yellow on here?
That's pollen. The yellow is pollen.
And why is it round?
Why is it brown? Well, sometimes brown is pollen as well. Some of them. Our cherimoya is brown pollen. So it's really windy. There's no bees here, huh? There were bees here a long time ago, but they're gone. And if these flowers fall off the petals, the bees won't see the flower to pollinate it.
Huh? Really?
If it's windy, the petals are gonna fall off. The bees won't see the flowers anymore.
Yeah, that would be good. That would be good, right?
Why would that be good?
Because the pollen will fall off, then that means the bees can't find them, and then the honey will be safe. I mean the pollen.
Okay, I see where you're headed, son, but there's no honey.
Oh, I see honey right there. It's very neat.
So the flowers fall off, the bees can't steal the honey?
Yeah.
Oh,
Because
God.
there's honey in the middle.
There's honey in the middle.
Yeah, you see that yellow? That means honey.
Oh, the yellow's honey? The yellow is pollen.
Yeah, but no, I mean right there in the
I
middle.
know. All right, keep pollinating, my busy bee.
I'm not busy bee.
All right, well,
Oh, it's windy.
we're doing this to help the bees right now, Shant, a little bit.
Why? Oh, I can't.
Because even though we pollinate it right now, the pollen will still be producing.
Wait.
But if the flower petals fall off, they can't find it. So we're trying to help it to continue the almonds from growing and making more almonds. And there's my cow grazing on the grass.
Here's our puppy.
A puppy cow.
No, it's not a puppy cow. It's our puppy. It's just a puppy.
All right then.
Up.
Okay, say bye, Shant.
Bye.
Say happy gardening.
Happy gardening.
Say it louder.
Happy gardening. Oh, there's one up there. I need to get up there.
Yeah, there's a lot of them up there. There's 1,000 flowers on this tree.
I need to get up.
All right, bye everyone. Happy gardening.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.